trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, "Mr. Buffett, you have lost $10 million today." Do you know what he said? He said, "I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold." Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, hello everyone, and good morning from my end. And in this tutorial, I just want to quickly demonstrate how the edging calculator, how effective it is if we learn how to use it. It's part of our bundles. If you pay for the software, is one of the software you're going to download from our trading hubs, where we put all, all our trading tools for all our members. Okay. But I want to use this account. This account is a live account, as we know that in our own mentorship program, we don't use demo account to talk to anyone. This is a Axis Select account. This account is we are trading this account to get funded, funded accounts, and that's what we are trading about. We all these tools are what we are using on our trading account and on in our training classes. Okay, so I got opportunity to demonstrate how this calculator works. The account is still running. The first thing I need to do is to come to symbol. I want to arrange all my trades, and I want to do operation on the Euro USD because it has edge. You can see that it has edge according to how we are doing our classes. So on we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 edge. I mean buy, and we have one sell stop. So I mean one sell that edge the whole stuff. Okay. So what we want to do here now is I want to key in the lot size. The lot size is 0.01. Then the profit. The profit for this one is minus 4.20 whatever, but you remember we have swap, so I'm going to approximate this with a swap to minus 5. So let me just put 5 here, and I'll come to another 0.0. This one is 0.01. No, 0.01. Okay, then I'll come to the second point, which is 0.01, also 0.01. Then that won't give me, according to what we are seeing now, 0.84 is fluctuating, but we have swap of minus 12 cents, so I can approximate this one to be 0.70. Then the third one, which is 0.02. And that one is giving us something like $3.98 something, and if you remove 22 from it, I would just say let's say $3 3.50. I just approximate to favor the market, not myself. Then we have 0.03. And that gave me like a 10 point. I was at now 9.9, and we have minus 17 something. Let's say we are saying 9.5.50. Okay, why are we doing all this? There's one 0.02. Did I put it? 0.01, 0.01, 0.03, 0.02. I didn't put it. So let me put 0.02 here. Then what is the value? Let's say this one is 3.50. 3.50. Okay, so those are the four stuff we need to key. But remember that the top one is minus. We must remember that. Okay, so let me make my screen build. So we saw that is 18, but when we remove 5, this one is not should be 18. Is a minus 5 here. So this one is minus 5. What can I do here is this should be okay. Let me remove this first. Let's remove this because it's negative. We just want to see the positive value, which is 13. 13 minus 5, that should be 8. Okay, that should give us 8 because we remember that this is the negative part of it, which we took as 5. So these are the positive values, and we want to see the total, which is 13. Okay, we can use this 13 to do what we want to do because we just want a situation whereby we can do a small judgment on this account. So let's now say this one is 0.07. We put 0.07 here. 0.07, and the negative value for 0.07 is 30. If you look at it, it's 35.56, but we have 15 here, which is positive. Let's leave it, we ignore it. So we're going to use 30, 35, which is 35, 35. Okay, it's now 36 because it's, market is fluctuating crazily. Let's say it's 36. Okay, then the total profit on the buy is let me do it again, 13, which is 13. Okay, we put 13.037 here, 13.70. Then we strike our enter key. So when you look at it now, the calculator is saying that we can close 0.03 from this. We close all the positive on the buy, which is 1, 2, 3. We close it. Then we partial close 0.03 from 0.07. So that is what we are going to do, exactly what calculator advises us to do. So we're going to close one. We're going to close 1, 2, 3. Then here, calculator said we should close 0.0, partial close 0.03. So we come here, we partial close. Let me put it here. So we partial close market order 0.03, 0.03. We come my partial close it, so we close it. Okay. So now, if you look at our arrow now, our arrow has sell side, it should be 0.04, and our buy side is 0.01. If you look at it, we didn't balance the leg. The leg is not balanced. But if you look at what is going on our chart, let's go to Euro USD. Let's try to put Euro USD on our chart. Euro USD. I think we need to save this. Let's save this template. Save as template. Let's call it calculator template. Okay. Then we bring it down to this our euro car template. So now, if you look at what we are seeing here, this is 1 hour. Because before we buy again, we just want to see, can we delay the buy or can we edge the leg immediately. So now, if you look at 1 hour, look at where our market is. Do we see any information that can tell us not to buy immediately? So that's what we want to see. We check 1 hour, we check 4 hours rather. I will check daily. This is our daily. We don't see anything daily. 4 hours, we don't see any barrier. 1 hour, we don't see. Let's check 30 minutes. On our 30 minutes, we don't see anything that is showing that there's a resistance or supply zone. Let's check 15 minutes, which will be the last zone that we need to check. You see, so that means we have to return buy leg immediately. And what we do there, we just say, we come here, we come to our, make sure that you are on chart of Euro USD so that you don't put something and you don't put trade on the wrong asset. So we want to, if you look at it, 0.03 plus 0.01, it's going to give us 0.04. So that's why we have to buy again so that we edge the leg. Because if I come back now, you can see that I have edged the leg. Buy is 0.04 and sell is 0.04. This is how we use the calculator and we use our trimming. Then we need to come back here and check what we do today. So actually, we don't supposed to find ourselves at negative trade. We're supposed to make sure that we have positive trade. What went wrong here is because calculator will never let us make a loss. Calculator will never let us make a loss. But what went wrong here is I didn't calculate the swipe properly. That will be the major problem because swap play a lot of roles when we are using the calculator. So I think next time what we need to do is to use the calculator on on the laptop to get it right. Like for example, let's say because market is still fluctuating during the time we are doing all these things. That's why these small losses might comes in. For example, let's say we use calculator to do this. It should be 0.94 plus, you see, minus uh, 0.12. So this is supposed to give us something like 0.82. That's what we're supposed to key into our calculator here. Let's see what we click, what you see. This is where the calculation will become a little bit wrong because you can see that markets are fluctuating with speed. So, but this is not a big deal. This shouldn't give us a problem. Now, another thing we need to check is how much is our capital. When we are trading, we funded this account with $959.60. We must check effect 900 and what? Let me check again. 9596.60. We must make sure that our balance is 966.01, and this balance now is more than what we deposit. It's 959,966. So you must make sure that anytime you are trimming or you are edging, you don't trim your balance to go below the deposits you put in the account. These are another mistake that many traders are normally making in edging trading strategy. You understand? In edging trading strategy. So, but today, this lecture is particularly for the calculator that we want to use. So that calculator, you can see the way we are using the calculator. We put the loss size and the floating loss and the total profit side, which is the buy side, and calculator now say we should close. We advise us what to close and what to leave, and we have 0.04 because we make life easier for all our trader. We give them all the what we call it, all the tools, software tools. If you join our group, all the tools we are going to use to trade has been developed, and we are still developing more of these tools so that you can become a successful trader. In Axis Select so far, in January 2025, we make 3 of our members qualify for funding, 2 5,000 and 1 20,000. In February, I think we have about 5 of our members that have already qualified, and all the 5 of them are $5,000 funded account from Axie. Axie is a broker that it's really want to help most good traders to have capital to trade, because the major problem of traders, retail traders, is that we don't have enough funds to play in the market. So these are the things we are doing for our members. If you want to join us, maybe you come and have the taste of the cake with us. This is the way we are trading, and we make life easier for all our members. Thank you for your time for watching this video. Until we meet again. Bye.